Vinyl windows are a popular choice for Dallas homeowners thanks to their affordability, energy efficiency, and low maintenance. However, even the highest quality vinyl windows won't perform as intended without proper installation. In Dallas, where intense heat, strong sun exposure, and sudden weather changes are common, how your vinyl windows are installed is just as important as which windows you choose. Here's how proper installation maximizes the performance, comfort, and longevity of vinyl windows in Dallas homes. Preventing heat infiltration in extreme temperatures. Dallas summers can push air conditioning systems to their limits. Poorly installed windows often allow hot air to seep inside, making it harder to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures. Proper installation ensures a tight, continuous seal around the window frame, correct insulation in wall cavities, minimal air leakage. This helps keep cooled air inside and outdoor heat out, reducing energy bills and improving comfort. Preserving vinyl frame integrity. Vinyl expands and contracts slightly with temperature changes. If vinyl windows are installed without proper spacing or alignment, this movement can cause warping, sticking, or seal failure. Professional installation accounts for proper clearances for expansion level and square positioning, secure but flexible fastening. This allows vinyl windows to perform reliably through Dallas's temperature swings. Improving energy efficiency and utility savings. Energy efficient vinyl windows rely on insulated glass and airtight seals. Improper installation can undermine these features. Correct installation eliminates gaps that cause energy loss, ensures weather stripping functions correctly, maximizes the benefits of low-E glass. Homeowners enjoy lower energy consumption and more stable indoor temperatures year-round. Preventing water intrusion during storms. Sudden storms and heavy rain are common in Dallas. Poor installation can allow water to enter around window frames, leading to moisture damage and mold. Professional installers apply proper flashing and waterproof barriers. Seal joints and edges thoroughly ensure drainage systems function correctly. This protects both the window and the home's structure. Supporting smooth operation and longevity. Improper installation can cause vinyl windows to stick, bind, or fail to close completely. These issues often lead to premature wear. Proper installation ensures smooth opening and closing, correct alignment of sashes and locks, reduced strain on hardware. This extends the lifespan of the window and reduces maintenance needs. Enhancing noise reduction. Vinyl windows help reduce outside noise, but only when installed correctly. Gaps or misalignment allow sound to travel indoors. Proper installation maintains tight seals, reduces sound transmission, creates quieter living spaces. This is especially valuable in busy Dallas neighborhoods. Improving indoor comfort across living spaces. Drafts and hot spots near windows can make rooms uncomfortable. Professionally installed vinyl windows help create consistent comfort throughout the home. Homeowners notice more usable space near windows, fewer temperature fluctuations, enhanced overall comfort. Protecting manufacturer warranties. Many vinyl window warranties require professional installation. Improper installation can void coverage and lead to costly repairs. Professional installation meets manufacturer guidelines, preserves warranty protection, provides peace of mind, increasing long-term value and performance. Proper installation ensures vinyl windows maintain their appearance, efficiency, and performance over time. This results in reduced repair costs, better resale value, long-term satisfaction. Installation makes the difference. Vinyl windows are a smart choice for Dallas homeowners, but their true value comes from proper installation. From controlling heat and moisture to improving comfort and energy efficiency, professional installation ensures vinyl windows deliver on their promises. For homeowners seeking lasting performance and reliable comfort, investing in proper vinyl window installation is essential to maximizing the benefits of this popular window choice in Dallas homes.